Hello, my name is Eric, and I come from First Fiber Technology Company in China. This is our new smart OTDR. This OTDR is with OTDR port, one optical power meter port, and a VFL port. Optical lighter source report same port with OTDR. So if you use optical lighter source or OTDR, you just use this one port. Now let's open the OTDR. The open time is very quickly. It just takes 1 or 2 seconds. As I see, there are 3 ports on the OTDR. And also, you can see we list all the functions here: OTDR, VFL, optical power meter, optical lighter source. Of course, it is also with the setting and files manage systems. First of all, we need to know this OTDR is with an APC connector. But if you need a UPC, is also available from us. You need to let our sales know it before you place your order. As you can see, I want to make a demo with this fiber rings. The fiber ring is 1 kilometers, and it is come with SC APC connector. So now I need to change the FC connector to SC connector. It is very easily, and it comes with your OTDR package when you make the purchase. Unscrew the FC. And install the ST. You must be careful. You can see here is a key, and here is a key too. You need to match them carefully, very carefully. Okay, now we can plug the SC connector into the OTDR. Okay, we now press the OTDR button on the touch screen, or you also can press F1 to start the OTDR function. Okay, now if you want to set up parameters by yourself, you need to press this button to make the test and to make the change. But normally, most customers just use the auto measurement mode, so you do not need to do anything. So I press the test now, and later I explain one by one for all the parameters. I press test now to test the fiber ring. Okay, the first time for test it may take a short long time, but the second is very quickly. Okay, we have seen the test result. It shows the distance is 1 kilometers and 16 meters. So it is almost the same as we can see from here. Okay, now I want to save the test result, the OTDR curves, into the OTDR memory. So I need to press F7 or F3 or press the save button on the screen. Now I press F3. Okay, now you can press OK to save the test result. Maybe you also need to change the change its name. So we we need to use these physical buttons to name the test result. For example, I want to name it as Eric. My name is Eric, so I name it Eric. So Eric, the first name, the first digital word is E. So we try to find the E. E is on the 3, on the bottom of 3. So we press 3, and we can see on the screen 3 is E. So we now press 3. Okay, you can see Eric E is here, and the second word is R. Here we can see R is on the number of 7, so we press 7. And on the screen we can see R is 4, so we press 4. Next word is I, so we try to find I here. And 4 means I, so we press I. C, we find C on the physical button. It is 2, so we press 2. And on the screen, 4 means C, so we press 4. Okay, now we can press OK button or this middle button to save the test result. But one more thing, I just want to say, if you want to input a short bottom line, we just need to press right navy button here. Press this button. Okay. Sometimes maybe you input something wrong. You need to press this button to delete it. Okay. We now input the word C, 2 and 4. Okay. When you first use this, it may be a little difficult for you, but if you use the 2 or 3 times, it will be not very easy, not very hard to use it. Okay, now we press OK to save the test result. Okay, has been saved. Now let me explain the parameters, and then I export the test result to my computer and print it out. First of all, let me explain the parameters. Here you can see the measurement mode is auto. You also can change it to be manual. You just use this button. Okay, it is manual. You can change wavelengths. It supports both 2 wavelengths for single mode fiber. And you also can change the range. Max is 60 kilometers. It is very important if you want to test a fiber that is longer than 60 kilometers. So the OTDR is not okay for that. And pulse wise also can change many for your choice. And the unit, the distance unit, it is about meters, foot, and miles. The latter some parameters we do not suggest customers to change it. And one more thing I want to see is the average times. Here you can see there is 2 testing mode, real test and average time test. Some people cannot find it because it was because we put these parameters here. So you need to study the OTDR and you can know you can understand more. Okay. As you remembered, I just saved the OTDR test result into the OTDR. So now I take the OTDR to my computer and I export it to my computer and print it. 继续. Here we need to use this USB cable. The cable will come with the OTDR package. Okay, and this one to my computer. When you plug the USB cable to your computer, the OTDR will turn off by itself. But now you need to turn it on. Okay, and now we run a software. This one is use this one to export the test result to your computer. Because my computer system is Chinese, so the word is Chinese. But if yours is English or any other language, it will be yours language. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay, we can see we have export one test result we saved just now. You also can use this software to delete test result from your OTDR. Here you can see it is the name I just saved it. To give you a demo of the OTDR printer, so I just copy some more of the test result. You don't need to do this because now I just want to make the demo, so I copy the. Okay, I think four test result is enough. Now we open the OTDR printer and try to print the test result. It is very easy. We just drag it into the software, and we can use this button to preview. Okay. Maybe sometimes you want to print many test results same time, so we input all of these results into in here. We can see one by one, and we can use this. And here we can see there are many format of the report. 2 test result 1 page, 4 wave per page, or 6 or 8. Now we try this 4. We press next. Okay, this button. Okay. Okay, this button, sorry. Okay, I just add 4 test result and press this button. And print. You maybe also want to export to Excel. It is okay, but I can print. Click this button. But for your C, I just click this button. Preview. Okay, you can see it. Let me print just one report for you from my printer, my real printer. I close all of this. Okay, I print four for your C. Here is my my printer, so I press this button. Okay, just wait 10 seconds. Here we can see the report. Let me print one. Press just one. Okay, let's start again. This one. Print one report on one paper. Very easy. Just press this button. Press. Okay, you can see this is the test result report. And you also save it as PDF. We need to use this to save it as PDF. Okay, Excel first. Here. Okay, now we can save it as PDF. Okay. Here we can see the PDF type data result. Sometimes you may need to change it to make it a little large for see clearly. The test result not only support our own tester, our own software, but also support any other PC software for OTDRs. Okay, the OTDR function I just said so much, but I want to say more about the VFL optical power meter and the optical light source function. You can see the VFL function. We press the function button, and you can see here. We also use this fiber ring to make the test. Okay, we start it. You can see the light, the red light. The light is very strong. Flash 2 times per second. 1 time per second. Okay. The VFL port supports any connectors. And the optical power meter. The power meter supports 6 wavelengths. It is just like a normal power meter. And the optical light source. The light source supports 2 wavelengths. So you also can use this OTDR as a light source, but the light source shares the same port with OTDR. One more thing, it also supports this modulation. Most for other OTDRs, that maybe also come with the optical light source function, but they do not with the modulation function. Okay, it is not very easy to make the demo for the OTDR power meter and optical light source, so I will not display it in the video. Maybe next video I will explain this too. Also, here is the file. We can view our test result just now here. If you have more test result, you can press this button to see one by one or back. Okay, it is very small but very useful OTDR. And remember, its model number is FF-980PRO model. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.